Shaping our lives. The Shaping of Our Life program was started to help students stay resilient and spend their time effectively during this pandemic and to prepare them for the future. Further, the activities of SOL focus on improving their essential skills of students such as professionalism, soft skills, etiquette, etc.
I'd like to thank especially Professor Chanta Jayawardena, Professor Chandra Herath, and Mr. Dhammika and other members of the organizing committee come up with this great idea. That shows that how concerned our staff members regarding the students. They are not only think about the academic matters related to the student, they go beyond that. I am very proud that we have that kind of staff with us. I think we all are very fortunate to have Professor N.A.D.S. Amartunga as our first speaker for this event. I would like to welcome you, sir, on behalf of the Faculty of Dental Sciences. I would like to welcome you for this virtual forum.
Thank you, the organizing committee, for inviting me to do this inaugural lecture in this series, which I think is a very, very good idea, because our students will feel that they are not alone. People who are planning to get married next year may not be able to get married next year. People who are thinking of starting a practice or work next year may not be able to do that. But we must think that the life is like that. Life is not a bed of roses. We cannot have it our way. The viruses can have their own way sometimes. Small virus can dictate to us. We have to accept that fact. We cannot be discouraged. We cannot be disheartened. We cannot be frustrated. We have to think positively in this hour of peril, great peril. The whole world is undergoing this pandemic. So we have to fight hard to overcome these problems. We have to think positively. What are we going to do to think positively? But we have only one life. We have only one life. So this period where your universities are closed, schools are closed, we must do some other work that we can do to fill every minute of our life. Every minute of our life is important for us. Not just the BDS, not just the practice, not just getting married. Every minute of our life is important for us. It must be filled up. Every minute must be filled up with some useful work. So during this period, it is an opportunity for you. It is an opportunity for you to do things that you have not been able to do while in the university. You could develop the reading habit, for instance. That's what I did when I was faced with this kind of problem. Read literature. Good literature helps you to see life properly, understand life properly, become a good human being. And also this may be the time to develop your other skills, your talents, music, art, drawing. Then this is the time to deal with your weaknesses also. If you have any weaknesses, recognize those and improve those. Life is not, as I said earlier, bed of roses. The virus may be here for some time and may go away. But another crisis might happen in life. We have to develop our ability, our strengths to cope with these kind of crises, these kinds of problems that come in our life. In our personal life also we may get problems. We may have problems in our personal life. So we have to face these problems all the time. So we have to, as I said earlier, strengthen our character.
So that if you can identify these things in your life and to have these turning points in your life during this turbulence time, especially, I'm sure that your destination would be much colorful and you would see a lot of things that you would have never seen before. If you can grab the opportunities that come in your way, within the faculty and even from the outside educational and social opportunities. Just grab it. How I educated myself was I had certain things in my life. My cup was complete and I was not willing to empty my cup to get certain points. It was full of my ego, full of my ideas and full of my commitment. That's fine. But at certain points in our lives, we need to unlearn certain things. We have to unlearn certain things. Unlearning is a vital factor at certain points in your life. And also we need to relearn and learn as well. So learning, relearning, unlearning are some of these vital factors associated with educating ourselves. Implement these 5 E's and implement these 7 R's of getting you back on track and to go through success. Do SWOT analysis, have SMART goals. Believe in yourself that I am a member of this wonderful league, wonderful faculty that have the adopted ability, the agility, adoption to the situation to pursue excellence. You are more than you think.
Can we really manage time? My answer will be literally the time cannot be managed. So the reality of time management is not literally managing time, it's about managing yourself. It's about managing your workload within the given time. අපිට දවසට තියෙන පැය 24 ඇතුළත අපේ තියෙන රාජකාරී ටික මැනේජ් කරගන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක තමයි time management කියන එකේ practicality එක. Time management means how you are going to plan your workload within a given specific time frame, and how you are going to allocate the resources you have to complete those tasks. The analysis of how working hours or working time are spent, and prioritization of tasks in order to maximize personal efficiency. This personal efficiency can be work related or it can be your personal life. This term prioritization is really important. The reason is we have number of tasks. Much time management system, personal organization, so I messed up with everything. You don't need a personal organizer, time management system, a specific plan, a kind of a tool to manage your time. It's all about you. What I mean by this is like managing the time is about breaking habits. There are some habits that makes you a little inefficient in managing time. අපි සමහර පුරුදු තියෙනවා අපි ඒ පුරුදු වලට හරි කැමති මොකද ඒවා අපි enjoy කරනවා ඒ නිසා අපි ඒවට වැඩි වෙලාවක් යොදවනවා.
I think this kind of activity will certainly will help to build up a complete person with many qualities which will be a asset to the country. එනිසා මම අගය කරනවා දැනට කීටේ සිද්ධ වෙන වැඩ අලුතෙන් සංගම් හදාගෙන විෂය පරිබාහිර දේවල් ගැන අපි කරගෙන යන දේවල් මම හිතන්නේ ඉතාම වැදගත්.
Now the stage is handed over to you, dear students.
I'm Divya Pereira from the 18th batch, and we have.
I am Divaharan. We are here to see the wonderful event, Esperanza.
ඒවා අඳින්න ගත්තේ කොරෝනා පීරියඩ් එක ඇත්තටම පාළුව තනිකම දුක ඔය ටික යවා ගන්න තෝරගත්තු ප්‍රධාන ක්‍රමයක් තමයි මේ චිත්‍ර අඳින එක කොරෝනා කාලේදී.
එකක හින්දා ඇත්තටම ගොඩක් ෆොටෝග්‍රැෆි වලට වෙලාව හම්බුණා. මම හිතන්නේ අපි හැමෝටම තව කියන්න ඕන එකක් තමයි පේරා වලට ගියපු එකෙන් අපි හැමෝටම ලොකු chance එකක් ඒ තරම් nature එක ඒ තරම් ලස්සන පරිසරයක ඉන්න එකෙන් අපි හොස්ටල් එකේ ඉඳන් ෆැකල්ටි එකට උදේට කලබලෙන් දුවන වෙලාවේ වුණත් ඒ එන චූටි වෙලාවේ අර දකින්න ෆොටෝ එකක් කැප්චර් කරගන්න එක ෆෝන් එකකින් හරි කොළඹ ඉඳලා පේරා වලට ගියන් පස්සේ එකපාරටම එක පැරඩයිස්ම තමයි.
හැදේ අපේ ෆස්ට් වේව් එකට පස්සේ ඉතින් ඒකෙන් චුට්ට ස්කිල් එක ඩිවලොප් කරගෙන අන්තිමට කොහොම හරි ලස්සනට හදන්න පුළුවන් නේ. ඉතින් පවුලේ අයට කේක්ස් හදලා දෙන්න පුළුවන් වුණා යාළුවන්ට. ඉතින් ඒක ඇත්තටම ලොකු දෙයක්.
සයුරු රළ නෙවුබඳේ පුනාදෙන් අහස කුකුරා එකලු වූවාදෙන් රජුන් කෝපව වියුරු වැටුනාදෙන්
ඉතින් පොඩි කාලෙත් යාළුවන්ගේ උපන්දින වලට මගේ අතින්ම හදලා මේ වගේ කාඩ්ස් ඒ වගේ දේවල් දෙන්න කැමති. ඉතින් මේ පැන්ඩමික් සිටුේෂන් එකත් එක්ක ගෙදර ඉන්නකොට මම ආපහු මේ වගේ දේවල් හදන්න පටන් ගත්තා.
ගැටගෙන නිදහසේ මතින් මත්තුනා කුළුඳුල්ලාදරේ
කඳුලින් සදා මල්ගම් ගොතා ඉරිවැටුණු සඳසියා නිතිවර පුරේමා තනිවෙන්න හදවත් දෙන්නේ
වැඩසටහන මෙලෙස සාර්ථකව ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමට උදව් උපකාර කළ බොහෝ පිරිසක් සිටිනවා. ඉතින් මේ අවස්ථාව ඔවුන් සිහිපත් කිරීමටයි ඒ වගේම අපගේ ජීවිතය වගේම අපේ වෘත්තීය තව තවත් අර්ථවත් කිරීමට උපකාරී වන වැඩසටහන් බොහෝමයක් ඉදිරියේදී Shaping of Lives අපේ වැඩසටහන් මාලා මගින් ගෙනීමට අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා.
Talents in the sense that it's multiple talents indeed, and also we are very happy to see that you have tried to utilize this period of otherwise which would have been a depressing and very not very happy period into something very useful and very fruitful period.
It was wonderful and I really enjoyed, and also I'm so happy that you have made use of this time very usefully, and also you have developed a lot of talents. It made a lovely evening today for all of us, and we are so proud of you. We are so happy.
අපි සමාජයේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දකින්නේ විශ්වවිද්‍යාල ශිෂ්‍යයන් සියලු දේ අමතක කරලා අධ්‍යාපනයේකට පමණක්ම හිත යොදවලා අධ්‍යාපනයේ පමණක්ම අරමුණු කරගත්ත පිරිසක් විදිහට තමයි විශ්වවිද්‍යාල සිසුන් සාමාන්‍ය සමාජයේ දකින්නේ. ඉතින් මම හිතන්නේ ඒක බොරු කියලා අපේ දරුවෝ දන්ත වෛද්‍ය සිසුන් මේ වෙලාවේ ඔප්පු කරලාම පෙන්නනවා.
Everybody, please give a big applause for our students.